Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Most people only consider using them for water pipe issues. However, specialty plumbers can be used to work with natural gas lines, as well as other systems such as water sprinklers. Usually, a natural gas plumber will have a license that states he or she is allowed to work on and install natural gas lines. 15 July 2015.
Take our lead.
Yes, in most jurisdictions you can. It's a very good DIY project and it can be done very safely. First you need to obtain the proper permit. Install the piping with a pressure test on the pipe and get an inspection to approve the installation.
Make your mark, take our lead.
They are typically designed for 50 to 60 years. If maintained, cleaned and built to proper STDs, there are few problems and some components last longer. Maintenance and replacement is subject to each situation, so there is no hard fast timelines.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Professional gas plumbers are the only people with the skill and the licensing to do this job. There's a good reason for this. Leaking gas lines are very dangerous health hazards. Ensuring you keep yourself and your family safe by only allowing licensed professional plumbers to handle your gas lines. 27 November 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.